Hello everybody and welcome. We're going to discuss and demonstrate the Flux Decoder badge from the SECYC youth event. In your packet you'll receive your Flux Decoder badge as well as 9 resistors. So we'll go ahead and open this up. We have on our badge here, we can see we have several solder points for the resistors. You can see those here, 3 on each side. And then on the back, we have the battery and the switch. When your badge first comes to you, the badge will have a battery in it, and you can turn it on with this switch right here. We'll go ahead and turn it on. Flip it over and you can see the badge is already starting to work, but it's just glowing in the middle. Not much else going on. So let's go ahead and get started. Remove the battery while we solder, keep it safe. And then we'll get started with soldering the badge. So I will take out one of my resistors here and show you how we will solder this into here. So go ahead and insert one side of the resistor and the other side. I like to make sure that the tails come through. You can see on this side. Go ahead and tighten those up. And then we'll go ahead and solder it. And that's how you do one side, or one resistor. With that done, let's go ahead and stick the rest of these in there. Couple things to keep in mind is let's see if my camera will focus. Right here, there's two little prongs. Just make sure that the battery, when you put it in, lifts up those two prongs before you stick the battery back in. You'll be able to see them just right up there. Go ahead, put your badge over, turn it on. There's the Flux decoder fluxing.